What's up, 2A crew? It's Rizzo, and today just gonna do a quick review on the Canik TP9 SFx. Yeah, I done put about 500 rounds. I figured I'd do just a quick little review. Comes in at right around 2 pounds. You get two 20-round magazines with that baby, so those are nice with the little extended base plate. These things have some of the best triggers on the market. Premium, unparalleled, you know, for the price point. It's great. Tungsten gray Cerakote. You got the base plate, the optics plate that's interchangeable. They give you a couple of different ones in there. Warren tactical sights, fiber optic on the front. You got interchangeable rear back plates. This grip, it's not very aggressive, but they do have the little things on the front and back that you can kind of get a good grip on. So this thing is nice. I've always liked mechanics, so it's nice. I got an ADE budget red dot on it that I've been kind of running. It's been running pretty good. So 5.2-inch barrel. Yep, got everything. Got it extended mag release here, so it's pretty good. It's a race one, but I also have a lot of stuff in the box, so you can change that out. Cleaning kit. So just different stuff in there. But this is a great gun for the price point. The TP9 SFx, it is fire. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's great. I just want to do a quick review. Got about 500 rounds through. So really not a 1,000-round review just yet. Just want to hit it. Quick review. Canik TP9 SFx. Man, that thing is great. Get you one. All right. So here at Pinty and Tactical, we're trying to give you good quality content, especially for new shooters, people that may be underrepresented in the community. So if these videos are helpful or informational, like and subscribe. Just kind of help grow the channel. That's what we're trying to do, is grow, get to as many people as possible. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. All right, you guys stay safe.